celebration for each and every one of us. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives as completers. A day of celebration, reflection, and anticipation for the future. As we gather here to honor the hard work, dedication, and achievements of the completers, we are reminded of the late nights of preparation and the sacrifice we made along the way. To my fellow completers, as we move up to the next level of education, remember to carry with you the valuable lessons we have learned, the friendship we have established, and the memories we have created during our time here. Let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead with courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in ourselves. Embrace every opportunity that comes in our way. Dare to dream big and never be afraid to take risks. Ika nga nila, take the risk or lose the chance. May we carry with us the values of integrity, compassion, and perseverance that have been instilled in us. And may we never lose sight of the dreams that have brought us to this moment. Because no matter how hard this is going to be, education and dreams will always be worth it. Keep going, for your life doesn't end in one failure. Not just because you're losing, you should already quit. So on behalf of all grade 10 completers of the school year 2023-2024, I warmly welcome you all to this second moving up ceremony. Some of us may still be together in senior high school, and others might choose to enroll other school, but do not be sad, because we are separating ways to walk the road of our dreams. Once again, welcome and have a good day.